major wealth story in Lagos real estate start the same way. Someone acted early before price change. In 2026, smart investors are not chasing hype. They are positioning ahead of growth. And right now, MiCasa Lagos is one of those rare opportunities still selling at a promo price. This is your last chance to secure a plot at MiCasa Lagos before price increase, because starting from 1st of February, there will be price increase on the MiCasa. You can see right now, there's massive work ongoing. We are working on the gatehouse. You can see the workers on site. They are working on the gatehouse. The fence work, the work is in progress gradually right here at MiCasa to lock in your plots or acre right now, because once we complete this gatehouse, the fencing work, the inner road, the price of this property is going to be selling ×2. And that's one key in now before price increase or everything sold out. You can save 3 million right now before price increase. MiCasa Lagos is located right at Elerangbe, Ibeju-Lekki, in a beautiful community right here in Elerangbe. You can see the interlocks on site. So after this gatehouse, we want to work on the inner road, drainage, to beautify everything right here at MiCasa Lagos. This property is surrounded with a beautiful, notable landmarks right here in Ibeju-Lekki. MiCasa Lagos is less than 7-minute drive from Lekki approved international airport, and also close by to just adjacent Lekki Havana Bungalow facing Elerangbe major expressway. And this Elerangbe major expressway is going to connect to Ikorodu, going to Lekki phase 1, Ikoyi, VI, different parts of Lagos State, and connect you back to Lekki approved international airport, just 4-minute drive off Lekki Ekpe expressway here in Ibeju-Lekki. Fantastic location to invest right now for exponential return on investment right here in Ibeju-Lekki. This property is selling for promo price right now, but the promo is going to end on the 31st of this month of January. That's why I'm here today, to give you this latest update so that I can take massive action right now. Guess what? You don't have to pay everything at once. With just 5 million, I can secure a plot right here. And also, you can buy an acres or hectares to have a mini estate inside this estate, because this is one of the best locations in Ibeju-Lekki to take action, to position yourself right now for massive capital appreciation right here in Ibeju-Lekki. Like I said, just 4-minute drive off Lekki Ekpe expressway and close by to Lagos Calabar Coastal Highway, Lekki Free Trade Zone, Lekki Deep Sea Port, Dangote Refinery, Alaro City, Panata University at Elekon, another beautiful, notable landmarks right here in Ibeju-Lekki. This property comes with one of the best titles in real estate, government allocation CFO, to make sure that you are buying a peace of mind right here in Lagos State. If you look at this estate, look at where this fence is starting from to where the road is. So we have enough setback, because there's going to be expansion. They're going to expand this road. It's a major road. It's a major road connected to regional road at Songotedo in Lekki, Lagos State, Nigeria. Right? So a plot is going for 35 million for 500 square meter, all inclusive. But guess what? It's going for 32 million for promo price right now. And like I said, the promo is going to end on the 31st of this month of January. Starting from 1st of February, it's going to be selling for 35 million. It's not stopping there. And you can see right now, once we complete this gatehouse, the fencing, paint, everything is going to increase from 35 to 40, 45, 50 or thereabouts. Just mark this estate today. Before the end of this year, you'll be hearing the price of this property. And that's why I want to really encourage you to come and position yourself right now to buy as many plots or acres, to have a mini estate inside this estate. Right? You can buy to keep, to resell it at a higher price. Look at Ikoyi, VI, Lekki phase 1 today. You can see the way investors are cashing out in billions in real estate. They are not joking, and they started like this. So that's why I want to really encourage you to buy as many plots or acres before price increase or everything, so that we have 3 months payment plan, 6-month payment plan, and up to 1 year payment plan right here at MiCasa Lagos. And you're going to enjoy beautiful amenities right here at MiCasa Lagos, like recreational center, gym center, more schools, hospitals, basketball court, football pitch, and so many more. Our 300 square meters is going for 19.4 million naira, while 1,000 square meters for commercial is going for 80 million naira. All inclusive, nothing like hidden charges. With 5 million, I can secure a plot of residential, and with 10 million, I can secure a plot of commercial rental before price increase. And if you want to buy an acre, so I have a special discount for you. If you want to buy an acre or hectares right here, there's a special discount for you to key into right here at MiCasa Lagos. So please don't snooze on this great investment opportunity right here at MiCasa Lagos. For more information inquiry, give me a call right now, and please remember to subscribe to the channel, like, share, and drop a comment below, and put on the bell notification for more updates about real estate investment opportunity right here in Lagos State and outside Lagos State, Nigeria.